Hey all, yeah, today we'll see about SevAI AI. That's a AI-based agent which I have developed. Right. Yeah, so we have actually like if you take any company, like we have two kind of data sitting, right? One is the data sitting in database and other is like all the policy document. Whereas here this one like we have developed specifically for the government, right? So government data, if you see, like all sitting in the database or all the policy document available in, let's say PDF or Word documents, right? So there are like a two type of data. So accessing those data by public, right, which will be a difficult uh, task, right, or it's not easily accessible. So we will see like how we can achieve this through SevAI. Okay. Yeah. So, say for example, here I have taken the NSAP data set, say pension beneficiary, otherwise you can take, and then like there are set of policy documents. Say for example, like you want to apply for education loan, or pension related. If you want to apply, then there are set of rules we have, right? The document which needed for some of the specific cases, right? So all this information available in PDF or Word document format. And the second set of document is available in the database, right? So accessing these two data, we'll see how we can access this. Okay. So the SevAI, we have the chatbot, right? The chatbot, from the chatbot, public, right, citizen can connect to this data, right? Be it a database or RAG tool, right, or the policy document, so they can access it. So what we'll do is like we'll provide the chatbot. Through that, like they can ask the question, and then like whatever the question they ask, it will come to main agent. Then it will see based on the nature of question, it will decide whether it needs to go to the RAG agent or it needs to go to the SQL agent, right? See, for example, like am I eligible, right? Eligibility criteria check or the rules, any rule specific, then it will go to RAG, right? Or anything related to, uh, say, for example, like they want how many beneficiary are there in a specific state, or for these kind of scenario, it will go to the SQL tool, right? So both the tools, like it will just like understand the query, understand the questions coming from citizen, and then like it will write the SQL query, and then like it will query the database and it return the response, right? Also same RAG tool, it will just understand the question, right? And then it will fetch the corresponding document, and then like it will send the response to the draft, right? So this information will be verified by verifier agent, and then like it will do the formatting, it do some cleanup, and then like it will send to the response in the chatbot. All this, the chatbot is developed in Streamlit. That's why just I put Streamlit. Okay. So usually like we'll keep the beneficiary related information, right, will be in the database, I think. And then RAG related, all the policy document will be sitting in PDF format, that like will create the knowledge base for all these document. And usually if you see like um, the PDF document, will say like it's like a structured or semi-structured data or unstructured data. Whereas the SQL database, the data whatever we are having, it's going to be completely structured data. So what are the data coming from the SQL tool and then like a RAG tool will be sent to Verifier agent, right? The data may be like will have a lot of information, but that information needs to be verified, right? Also, that needs to be formatted in the better way, right? So for all that purpose, like we'll be using the Verifier agent, which will do that activity, and then it will send the data to Streamlit app, or it can be any website also. Based on the customer need, we can do it, but here I have used Streamlit. Let's say like a customer is asking this question, how many beneficiaries are there in Bihar, right? Then it will come to main agent, right? It will check. It's the nature of this question is like more filter and count. Based on this, it will go to the database and the corresponding table, right? And then like it will actually return the value, right? And the verifier agent, it will do the verification, and then like it will send as the final answer. The next is for the RAG. Say for example, like the person asking, am I eligible for old age pension benefit, right? And maybe like you need to provide the age also. Let's say is provide the age. So it will come to the main agent. So this is more like a RAG purpose. So it will go to the knowledge base in the document, and then like it will try to check all the PDF document and then get the corresponding response. Uh, at the end, like it will send to verifier agent, which will do the answer verification, also do the cleanup activity, and then let's send the response to chatbot. Okay, this is how the flow it is. Like we'll have the UI, right? And then like whatever the information we send from the UI, it will go to the coordinator and main agent. We have the SQL tool and RAG tool. And from here, we will just like hit the corresponding source, be it a knowledge base or RAG database, like we'll hit it. And then like from there, like the response will come to the draft answer, right? And then like it will go to the verifier agent for the verification, and it will send to the final flow. Okay, now we'll see the demo. This is a AIDP console. So all these agents are developed in AIDP. If you see here for RAG purpose, we need to upload all the document. So here I have uploaded a sample document based on the customer need, like we can add more document. Right now, just I have uploaded 3 different document in the specific here. And if you just go back, after uploading the document, I have built the knowledge base. Say for example, this is a knowledge base which I built, right, on top of the this path, right? And this value, like a SevAI knowledge base 3, will be using in the code for the RAG tool. Also, like we have the database with all the record informations available, and I will show you the agent related. This is a agent like which we have developed. Agent can be developed in 2 ways. One is through code and other is through flow, right? Without code also we can do, but I have just developed it through code. Here for this agent, like we need to set the entry file. I have set this as an entry file, and we need to deploy it. After deploying, like we'll get the endpoint. This can be used for wherever we need it, right? This can be used. Right now, like I'm using this endpoint in the Streamlit app. Or if you want to use it in the website, we can use it. And once you deployed it, we can ask the question. Say, for example, like I'm asking, like, am I eligible for old age pension bill? Pension, right? If age is 62, it says like you are eligible, right? And same thing, is there age limit for disabled pension under the specific scheme? It says yes, right? The answer is everything is like formatted, nicely put it, right? Even sometimes like if the answer is not available, it will specifically say it's not available. Also, like if I'm trying to get it from outside of the knowledge base. That information also it will provide. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's all. If you have any specific questions, you can reach out to me.